Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add mail symbol in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show add mail symbol. Now firstly going to the insert menu option. Then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol. Then you show font is Calvary. Now font search from Wingdings option. Now search from enter. That is. Now you can say. Then you show mail symbol. Now for click. Then click for insert option. Now close from. Then select from mail symbol. Now go to the home menu option. Then click for a size. That is. Now mail symbol. Now change from color. Now do color. That is. Then you show add mail symbol in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for